Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Zuhaib and you are watching Blueterminal. This is the fourth video of our Angular series, and this video will describe what's Angular Decorators and how Angular Decorator works. This component decorator is the simple example of decorators. This component decorator is declared on Angular core, and this decorator decorate this app component. Decorator till Angular, this class is a component of Angular. Okay, we described it what's component in previous video. Watch our previous video in which we described what's Angular components. Okay, in this video we only focus on decorators. This decorator decorate this app component. Angular decorator provide us some features like configuration of class or function, metadata of the class, how decorated function and class proceed, and how instantiate the class. Okay, this is the app component, and this is the some metadata of this app component. This Angular decorator decorate this app component and receive all the described values of this app component class. Okay, let's create our custom decorator, and I will show you how decorator work and how many it's useful. Okay, let's create simple decorator function. I will say this is my decorator. Okay, and we pass some values on this decorator. First is function target, second is function name, the third is function descriptor, and console these values: func target, func name, and func disk. Okay, and removing these errors, simply set a data type. I will set any. This is the any data type. It's mean we can store any data type on this arguments. Okay, and let's create a function and decorate this function with this decorator, and set the name of function. I will set my function. Okay, and console some value. This is my function. Okay, and decorate this function with this decorator. Simply enter 8 and of decorator name. Okay, now this decorator decorate this function. Okay, and call this function in constructor. Create a constructor and call this function. This my function. Okay, save your file and open the browser. Look here, first is target. Our function target is app component class. Okay, and second is function name, third is descriptor, and here is our all values which we described in our function. Let's change this console from this decorator. I call simply this func disk value and create a function console.log. This is my decorated function. Okay, this console.log or write this console.log. Okay, save your file and open the browser. Look here, this is my decorated function. Okay, let's pass some arguments in this function. I will say x and y. Number is data type in TypeScript, and return simple x multiplied by y. Okay, and here pass these values 2 and 3. In decorator function, let's call argument array. This is our arguments array, which is 2 and 3. Okay, console these values and say that is function args. And here is our args array. Save your file and open the browser. Look here, that is the function arguments, which is 2 and 3. Let's get our this returning value. For this purpose, I will remove this console.log and create a constant. Say that its original function and store this func disk. Okay, that value. This original function store our original function values. Okay, and we apply these arguments on this original function to get our product of our returning value. Okay, I comment out this line and create a variable product. and original function and applying these arguments on this original function. Apply this args. Okay, this function apply these arguments on this original function and return this values and console this product. This is our returning values. Okay, save your file, open the browser and see the magic. Here is 6. Okay, we multiply these values on here. Let's remove this production and return 1. Remove this function and print our arguments. Okay, save your file and open the browser. 20 and 30 is our arguments. Okay, I want to perform some operation these values in decorator. Simply enter the index number of arguments. Look here, on index 0 is 20, on index 1 is 30, and I will say that on index 0 value multiplied by on index 1 value. Okay, save your file and open the browser. Here is our 600. This is our custom decorator and this is our function. This function is decorated from this decorator and this decorator have these values. One is function descriptor. This function descriptor is have all values which we describe in our function. Okay, we create a variable and store our original function values. Then we create a function of our function values and we can change our function arguments and function values, etc. Okay, it's mean decorator can do anything with our function and classes. This component decorator can manage this app component class. We can find this app component values on this component decorator. Okay, in this video we describe all about decorators. Okay, I think so it's enough for now. See you in next video. Bye.